Our project topic is supercapacitor to enhance charging performance of solar PV system. In that project, there are four main components. This is a 12 volt 20 watt solar panel. We are use the supercapacitor, 4 supercapacitor. The rating of each supercapacitor is 2.7 volt 100 farads. We use the 5 volt microcontroller. There are 3 relays, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, that's operate in 12 volt. When the solar radiation is not constant on the solar panel, then relay 1 is on to give output to the DC bus. Along with the supercapacitor will charge on the solar panel. This supercapacitor charge on the solar panel with the help of relay 2. But when the radiation is not constant, the supercapacitor gives output to the DC bus with the help of relay 3. We can see the 5 volt microcontroller provides signal to the relay 1 relays, all 3 relays, to operate the incoming signal is not. This microcontroller provides signal to these relays to operate these relays. That's why we use the AC driver. This is a driver IC to amplify the signal given to the relays. We cannot measure the panel voltage directly from this microcontroller because this microcontroller works on 5 volt and the solar panel gives the 12 volt. That's why we use this divider. This divider divides the voltage in the ratio of the 10th voltage. Here we use this regulator IC to give constant output to the microcontroller 5 volt. Then the microcontroller gets input from the 12 volt DC bus. We use the capacitor C1 to filter the fluctuation in the circuit. We use this C2. This is a second capacitor for the store the power 5 volt voltage from the microcontroller, gives to the microcontroller. Whenever we needs to 5 volt, all the equipments need to 5 volt, then we store the 5 volt voltage from this supercapacitor. The LCD display show all the information of rating collected from the microcontroller. The overall ratings show in that LCD.